Hello, in this video we want to talk about the screw here in the back that usually holds the magazine down. In the first models this was a special screw with a very coarse thread. This works perfectly fine, but especially if you want to exchange it for a thumb screw, which makes maintenance a little bit easier, it's necessary to exchange this to a threaded insert for a machine screw like you have here. This is an M4 machine screw, and for that you need a threaded insert. If you have one of those older Stinger II tacticals and you want to upgrade that, just contact our support at support@steambow.com. You will then get from us this assembly consisting of the threaded insert, a nut that's important for countering it, and the machine screw that you will then use instead of the special screw that was supplied with your crossbow. You have to bore out this hole here, and you need for that a 6mm drill bit. So 6mm drill bit. Now it is important that you drill a straight hole into that. So, let's look how deep this hole is. That's enough. Then just take the threaded insert with your hand till it is inserted. And take a wrench, in this case a size 8 wrench. No, it's a little bit too early. It's much easier without the camera pointing at you, so. Get it started. The first few rotations are very important. Then once it is firmly seated, you can around. Then hold the screw, open the nut, and you have your threaded insert in there. That's it.